Here we are on a beautiful Friday morning at the Indiana State Fairgrounds, and as you can see, there is a nice line already formed outside the administration building, which houses the ticket office here at the fairgrounds, as people are waiting for their KISS tickets. They go on sale in about 5 minutes from right now, and I don't know, there's probably 100 people in line, and interestingly enough, they have been here for quite a while. And the very first lady in line is Linda Bestwick. Hi, Linda. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
And you are from Greenwood, right?
Yes.
And you have been in line since when?
10 o'clock yesterday morning, 24 hours ago.
So you are a big fan.
I'm a die-hard fan since the early 70s.
How many shows have you seen?
This will be number 8.
Number 8? And when was the last time you saw him?
I think 2 years ago.
Okay. And you think it's going to be a great show then, obviously.
Every show they do, I'm so amazed. You just can't think that there's ever any way they're going to top themselves. And every show you go to, it's like, I can't believe it. They've outdone themselves again.
Okay, but still, what possesses you to want to give up 24 hours of your life because you've been out here all that time waiting to be first in line?
I like their integrity. When they perform, you really feel like they really seriously care about you as a fan, that you're very important to them. You're not just somebody there, and they don't do drugs, and they've worked so hard for 30-some years to do what they've done, and nobody will ever beat them. Their motto is, you know, you wanted the best, you got the best, and that is absolutely true.
So what are you going to do then after you get your tickets and go home? You going to take a nap?
Oh, no. I've got a lot of things to do. I'll probably celebrate that I got a ticket.
Well, great. It's almost 10 o'clock, so go ahead and get your tickets.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And there you have it. Plenty of diehards here for the show. And looks like they're pumped up. Ought to be a great show on August 9th.
Yes.
Tell me it says 1.
What is it?
Yes!
What is it?
Where you at?
Row 1, seat 29!
Good job.
Go win! Go win!
Oh my God!
What row? Row 1,
29, you said?
You're right there. Either right there or right there.
Oh, you're close to center. It looks like actually kind
It'll
of.
be in center. It's in center.
No, I meant.
Because
That's seat
they either
21.
go one this way or one this way.
Awesome.
So it'll be either this side or that side.
Yes! It's going in my safety deposit box. I'm not taking a chance of anything happening tonight.